Good day everyone, I am Rica Meji San Juan. I will present to you my workshop layout for hairdressing in situ. So, sample workshop layout for hairdressing in situ. The sample workshop layout for hairdressing is carefully designed to create a conducive environment that integrates both theoretical and practical learning. The arrangement ensures that students smoothly transition from classroom-based instruction to hands-on application while adhering to health, safety, and quality standard. It's also it also highlights that the importance of resource support, sanitation, and assessment to prepare learners for real salon operations. So, at the core of the design, the practical work area is strategically placed at the center to provide learners with hands-on experiences in hair cutting, hair styling, shampooing, and other hairdressing services. So, the contextual learning area is located nearby to allow an essay shift from theory to practice. So, on one side, specialized areas such as the hair cutting and styling area, shampoo area, sanitation area, and waste disposal area are positioned to simulate an authentic salon environment. On the opposite side, the trainer's resource area, learning resource area, computer laboratory, and computer or distance learning stations are arranged to support academic development, research, and blended learnings. So the layout also incorporates essential support facilities such as the storage cabinet, support area, whiteboard, and achievement chart, ensuring organization guided instruction and progress monitoring. Meanwhile, the quality control area and assessment area ensure that the performance meets industry standard. Safety and accessibility are emphasized through the inclusion of entrance, exit, and windows, which promote proper ventilation and a secure learning space. So, each symbol in the layout represent specific competencies in hairdressing in situ. The trainer's resource area strengthens competency in delivering training while the learning resource area and computer or distance learning promote industry knowledge and digital literacy. So practical competencies are developed in the hair cutting and styling area, shampoo area, or mannequin stand area, and practical work area, while health and safety are enforced in the sanitation and waste disposal areas. So the assessment and quality control areas ensure that skills are demonstrated according to industry industry standards, while the contextual learning area support the understanding of theories and principles. So overall, this workshop layout provides a holistic training environment that balances theory, practice, safety, and quality. So equips learners not only with technical skills in hairdressing but also with values of professionalism, hygiene, organization, and lifelong learning essential for success in the beauty and wellness industry. So that's all. Thank you.